15th, 2019, 3:09 p.m. Sky view before it starts raining. Look at that dark wall. It's not even that dark. Zoom in. Alright, I'm back. Zoomed in. That's supposed to be the sun, huh? So what's that giant ball right here to the bottom left of it? That's not a glow. There's something else there. Because look, I've been alive a long time, and I have never, and I mean never, seen the sun be totally blocked out by something dark like that, unless it was smoke from a fire. That's all there is to it. And even then I could see it. If you go back and check out my campfire videos. That's all I gotta say about that. Roof. No tripod, freehand. Alright, everybody be safe out there. Peace out. That's how fast those things are flying by. What's funny is the wind's hitting me in my back. So the wind is headed straight for the sun. Wind is coming from there's the northwest. Wind is coming from there. So it should be blowing the clouds this way. Instead, clouds are headed that way. Go figure. Go figure on that one, indeed. April 15th, 2019, 7:56 p.m. There was never a sunset. There's no moon. It's just, to be real honest, it's like a weird, really weird sky tonight. It's like a bluish glow. Even though the rain just stopped a minute ago. You can literally hear the planes. Sun should be right there, big old massive glow, but it's not. And it's like, that's all supposed to be, it's just like a wannabe light blue well, technically it's dark blue, but the camera's showing it a little bit bluer than what my eyes are seeing. But it's like fading away, but the darkness is just like crazy. I didn't think I was even going to get it this good. I even brightened up the camera at first just to see what it looked like, and it looked like it was daytime. And it's not. It's actually pretty dark out here. This about gives it the most justice right here. The whole sky to me appears to be like that right there. But yet it's like, it's really just clouds. Crazy. There was no orange hue today at all. Nothing that I could see anyway worth capturing. It would have been something wicked looking. But this is pretty cool in itself. Blue. Alright, everybody, be safe out there. I don't believe I'm going to get a moon tonight. I do not see this clearing up. Alright, peace out.